You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is -15 equal or smaller than 20. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all w terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 5w from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is -15 equal or smaller than 20.